In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a next video pop-up in InVideo. This quick enhancement helps guide viewers to your next piece of content right at the end of your video, boosting watch time and creating a smooth viewing journey. We'll keep things simple and focused, following a clear sequence so you can replicate it with confidence. First, head over to InVideo. Open it in your browser and get to the main workspace where you manage your projects. Once you're in, go to your InVideo project. This is the dashboard area where your existing projects are listed, and it's the jumping off point for making edits. Next, select your video. Choose the specific project you want to update with the next video pop-up. Click it to open the editor so you can make changes. If you have multiple versions, make sure you're selecting the one you intend to publish. Now wait for the video to load. Give the editor a moment to bring in your media, timeline, and tools. You'll usually see a loading indicator. It's important to let everything finish loading so the controls respond smoothly. A stable internet connection helps here, especially with larger files. Once the editor is fully ready, find the prompt box. This is the text field where you can tell InVideo what you want to do in plain English. It's typically visible on the side of the editor. If you're scanning the interface, look for a space labeled for prompts or instructions. It's designed to interpret simple requests and apply them to your project. In the prompt box, type exactly. Add a next video pop-up on the last part of the vid. Keeping the wording clear helps the tool understand your intent. You're asking it to place an end screen style element at the end of your timeline, so the feature appears right when your video wraps up. Now click on Generate. InVideo will take a moment to process your instruction. During this step, it will create the pop-up and position it at the end of your video. You should see the end element appear in your timeline and on the preview canvas when the change is complete. And that's it. Done. You've added a next video pop-up to the last part of your video using a simple prompt. This small touch helps your audience know exactly what to watch next and keeps them engaged with your content. Great job following along.